That means Jaxen and his team will get to represent Jamaica in Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Live from the Mitchell bed.
Look at now, people, we can't get them out of our room.
Yeah, I know I'm not coming out. My arm is trapped.
Wowee. Guys, trust me, the room nice and cozy. And it really does feel like an oasis that a lot of you guys call it and stuff. Thanks for all the support on the reveal video, and we're going to be doing a lot more vlogging from in here. For today, we're gonna today we're going to be coming to you live from our bedroom, and that's the chef's there. Yeah, guys, so
Stay with us. Very good
stay
day
with
today.
us and
Very
see
good day today.
how our day progresses. Jamaica lose last night. Me stress out. Me stress right out. But guess what? The room I build my vibes. It'll build back my vibes.
You children can make a mommy a cup of coffee.
Oh, me, I'll do it.
Alright, when I was your age, I could make my mother coffee.
You're
and-
I
At last.
This not peaceful at all.
No, this not peaceful style. We're not talking about
So much for the oasis.
so much for the oasis and the Zen vibes. We're not talking about. It's crazy up in here. Stay with us.
Don't take cool the I'm gonna take my shit. Cause no. Don't make me smile.
Watch it now.
I'm going to have my coffee.
Watch your coffee from patio vibes. I like the energy I feel. God no. What you thinking? They want spa?
I'm spa, Michelle. Huh? Bach? What do you mean? No man, you guys go that way with daddy. I'm coming. I'm just going to relax a little.
I get for sewer going, you know. We're gonna have to use the lock door feature and lock out them blows out. So them think I feed them room, people. Them think we build the room for them and their needs.
I'm gonna fall off.
Never hear about the Brady Bunch? Well, this is the crazy bunch.
Come on, go with daddy. We're gonna put on Go in my bed and watch some TV, okay?
I'll just stay out here.
No. I'm doing a little work and I have to do this. Come with me. Oh, Jesus. You having coffee? You're having a coffee. Coffee. Good girl. But it's hot. Don't touch it. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Where are your shorts? You have on your shorts?
Yeah.
No, you don't. Come and put on your shorts, please. Okay? Atlas, can you take her to go get her shorts, please? A pair of white cycling shorts would be good.
Like tights?
Yeah, tights. You got it.
Can I try to put them on her?
Well, yes, you can.
Alright, come on.
All right, go on then.
Let me go put them in.
Does he come round to me and say, Momo have a butterfly in her shirt and I had to look so beautiful? That is true.
No, Momo, you think a young girl, watch her army fatigue and some sitting. No, your bad, I might have to pick up around this. So. No, when Momo get them cap and stack. No, sir, you're bad.
Okay? You know?
Yeah, you're bad.
So something really exciting. Ratty Jaxen knockout.
Asleep.
Yeah.
And me making bleach last night and I'm wrong, you know?
You're wrong. Oh, something really exciting happened yesterday. You know, you guys have been hearing how Jax has been going to robotics day after day, sacrificing his weekends, sacrificing his PE time at school, playtime, going after school. Just, yes, the thing he loves most. And, you know, he has been dedicating time to his robotics team. And
his robotics presentation that they had to make.
they had to do a robotics presentation where they had to solve a real world problem. And Jaxen and his 2 teammates from school literally came second place.
Guess what that means, guys?
That means Jaxen and his team will get to represent Jamaica at the World Robotics Olympiad in Italy.
Salento.
So that was really, really big news. We've never wanted to come second place more because the second place prize was for Italy. The first place winners are actually heading to Turkey, and the third place winners are going to Puerto Rico. So congratulations to all of the teams that won. The truth is that their invention was really, really good, and we're just really proud of them. Yesterday it was a big event. There were actually 9 teams that entered, and Minister Flavor Williams was there as well. She did the handover. Big up to Halls of Learning always for creating these amazing opportunities for our kids here in Jamaica. These are international competitions. Last year 77 countries participated in the World Robotics Olympiad. So glad to say that Jamaica is going to be a part of that again, and our boy is going to be a part of that again.
Very proud of you, Jax. One day you have to show the MTM family what the presentation is.
Yes.
Oh yes, I will do all.
And a big congratulations to his teammates Gia and Jacob, who worked so hard on this as well. And big up to the parents. You know who you are.
We have some footage yesterday when Jax came home, and also grandma came over. You know who was on cloud 9 because she's been following Jackson's robotic journey from day one, and she was just elated. So we have a bit of that footage.
Mom, darling, I'm proud of you. That's how it works.
We're going to Italy.
Yes, I know.
Mommy called and told me. So I said, no, I have to come. Tired and cold from the beach.
The beach?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
It was so
Beach.
Love a hug, you know.
You're going to Italy. Darling.
And I'm going to represent Jamaica there.
Yes, Jamaica. You're going to represent us all
Yes.
in robotics. Good for you, darling. Good for you, son. Good for you, grandson.
You ever see where the man them a shepherd them goat them? One long length of goat.
I got me need one of them so because
Tami, you know the style. Hey, Momsy. You get the ice cream?
Yeah.
Can you say ice cream?
Okay.
Ice cream. Go on, let's see you. Where do you pray over it? Have some then, no? No ice cream for the G? Yeah, I'll have some.
wow, well 4.5 hours will do it.
Trust me. I got it. Ice cream crew. Huh?
Yeah. Mommy and I need to teach you how to play Spite and Malice.
So good at it.
Spice and Malice?
Yeah, that would be great at it.
Me never, a long years me not play.
Daddy don't play, but Daddy used to play with me all the time when we were dating.
Bro, that's like...
You know how to play Spite and Malice?
I don't remember at all, bro. I didn't remember playing.
You literally
She
did
said
it
so.
just to impress me.
I did it to impress you, right?
Yep.
It worked.
Yeah. Oh,
We can definitely see that. So can I just go in your room from now?
He's trying to get the best spot on the bed. That's what you're trying to do. But can I go in your room from now? He's like, I call dibs on the bed.
You guys remember how I always talk about like a perfect day? Like it's something we talk about all the time. It must be drizzling. We're gonna be in the bed and it's gonna be nice. But drizzle was a big part. Oh, and dim sum.
Well,
And
tell for those first cousins asking if you covered the grill.
Oh no!
Tell them that that's a whole part of the experience.
That's the whole part of what we wanted us to be
For the
able
rain
to see
to come
the
through.
rain.
Yeah.
And so we got outdoor furniture. Of course, we're taking the cushions, but those cushions are waterproof. And of course, we built in drains. We built in drainage out there, so when
Proper
it
drain
rains, it drains out. And of course, it's a step down, so that we're not worried about flooding. And we have outdoor sliding doors. So, but I love to see it drizzling.
And we have tarpaulin in case.
And if we need to. Right, so we are set up for our perfect day. Ivy has her bean bag.
And we have the bed.
Momo said I must set up our chair, so that's set up there. We just took the chair from out there. It's kind of drizzling a little bit, which is just lovely. And we're gonna go watch a movie. Go back on your side, please. I know we have to decide on a movie.
Yeah. Where's my shoes?
Perfect day loading.
Finally.
Alright, so we're heading now to Water Commission football field. We have a match for play right now, so me and the support system there. Me and the boys them out, and we left everybody else at home watching movie, well cozy and cuddle up underneath covers and beer things. So looking forward to a nice little game today. Is a knockout round competition with know. Jesus. Oh, yeah. It's on the side there. So we expect a good run today. We're fairly deep into the competition, so you know it's a tough opposition. So let's see how it go. If you don't hear back from me later, you know say them dump we up. But if you see me forward back, you know say it's a good game. A joke. Win, lose or draw, I'm making to know what go on.
Good ball. Press up now. Run to it. Well done, come on. Well done, come. Well done, boy. Well done. Turn on your side. Don't. Slip. You can never have a kick. You have Ian and Wayne free to the left.
Yes, Ebola. Rough. Boy, Jano. I know how Jamaica feel when them get the 1 love yesterday. I'm going to think today people, one thiefing penalty, the ref give away. 1 penalty decide the game, 1 love we get, like Jamaica.
Yes, but I will have a chance to get though.
We get chance, we have the perfect opportunity to go to the next round. Joke it out. Nah, tell you no lie, joke it out as a team. But I saw it go, you win some and you lose some. I'm going to go check and see what Tami them are going with right now. But no say she probably never left the room right now. Guys, trust me, the room is where it's at. Guys, I'm just going out of the room. Tami, fully asleep. Curtains pull, whole place blackout like a midnight. No man, she bad. Tami go eat the little dim sum and trying to write this take her. Anyway, I make she sleep little. Oh, me never tell you no. I know me love bathe people. I think at one time I did love bathe. Now I bathe 3 and 4 times a day. I look forward to go bathe right now and get off this football match off of me. Yeah, the bath is so nice, people. Bossy. And music I play and them something. No man. Trust me, I'm not worthy. It's too much. Room I go on, people. As you can see, nice for sleep. And about after I took 4 now, and look there, sweet dreams. Hey, Baba, you wake up?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. You wake up, you look like you're sleeping condensed milk or granulated sugar. Tell the people them what you're doing now.
7-day workout streak.
7-day workout streak. Me come in and see the man a sweat yesterday. When me look, him a do abs, him a do crunch, him a do this, him a do push up,
Ivy, water.
jumping jacks.
Get a protein bar.
Why you want protein bar?
Dad, it's protein.
It's protein?
Yeah.
No, but you had enough protein. You had enough protein today. Eh? What you say, Madu?
In my exercise to eat more.
To eat more.
To eat more.
Rotted.
No. Wait, what you say on the pan? What you say on the pan?
7-day workout streak.
7 day to eat more.
Can I
7 day
please?
feast. It's a 7-day feast in the pan. So you just ask me for cheesecake like a while. Eh?
I asked you for a protein bar.
So what you say, I work for your abs then? You wake up,
When me sleep,
look here,
me sleep. Me not gonna lie.
the room hold you.
It is the first day me really get a chance to be in the room like this, cause you know it's just been busy and whatever. It told me.
Tami, I'm obsessed. I don't like when the bed pull up. I can fix it.
Wait, don't bother with that. Don't bother with that. This is not a magazine.
It's not a magazine.
No.
Oh God.
We can make the bed, you know, but
Alright,
it's Sunday.
I can make it quick and fast and then reset back. We can pull it up after, but I like to see when the place neat
But
to
when
a
I'm
T.
gonna go back in the bed.
Guys, I don't know how the place clean
Every
and how the
time
place
it's
fresh.
out.
Me not like see when it like the things that were out of place just pop in there. You know them way there? It bother me. See all this here, sir? As a little something, the little head pan and something, I just want to pick it up. I don't like when things out of place. The shoes, them want to move them. Tami, your place is messy. Over your side, messy, my G. I don't like that. Look on my side. Look on my side. Nice and clean. Guys, alright, we promise you that we'll show you certain little things that we made to custom to our function, to our functionality. Right, to our feng shui. So you see all this now? Simple things like this. We made Mr. Sanchez build this in. We order this from Amazon. Well, I should say the Amazon queen out there. We order this and then we built it into the side table. So we have a little USB, we have a type C, all of these things. It's a game changer, people, because the picnic them always gone with the other charger. Them know them don't want to see this because them don't want a USB charger. Them just want to something them with it.
Because we don't have to dig behind the thing.
Yeah, and we don't have to dig up.
To find where we want to.
Look at another thing. If me want to go so boom, this control the floor light, this control the lamp light. Me not have to get up. So we look a speaker them here so look well neat and tucked away. Like a subwoofer down here so I bring the bass on the thing. Like a sound bar here so in here coming like carry people.
That's nice. Clean up again easy. Boom.
Alright, you're looking little better. You're looking little better.
Take you and a hotel living is a real life room.
People, no right though. It feel like oasis. It feel like when it says sanctuary. God no. This is what I wanted. Me don't want a spa feel. Me don't want it feel like a hotel vibes in the middle of a yard. But I have some to admit though. Me not gonna lie people. Me have a little imposter syndrome.
Oh, honey.
Me have a little imposter syndrome. Hear why I say that, Tami?
Why?
Cause all now, me not do that something there in the bathroom.
What's something?
That's something there, man.
You mean your favorite thing?
My favorite thing. Me no number 2 round there. God no, it's like me I say you're so too clean for me to defile it.
I noticed you go somewhere else today, you know.
Me if I tell you about it, it's
shame.
like
I don't feel we should put that in the vlog.
no man, it have to go in there because guess what I know for sure. The kids them don't afraid for boom it down.
They are terrible.
But you see when me start,
It nasty.
it's when me start. So when I take my time, but God knows it's just like told the place clean people. Me don't know, I'm frightened.
I'm so ashamed.
But guys, the speaker them, this make a talk about the speaker them. Jeez, music out here, so you know. When music a play out here, so you know, and Bobby turn on a Shade, you know, man, and I try to seduce me, you know. Remember me tell you, you know.
Trying to seduce. But the speakers do go into our bathroom and our wardrobe as well, which is really nice, you know.
It's nice, man.
And as you can see, it's a lovely overcast day, and we just put back out the cushions and stuff, but yeah.
Tami, you forgot to add interior decorator to your resume.
Oh,
God no.
Mister.
I don't know if I forgot to do a show or go around Jamaica and we just do some little quick renovation to people's place. You know what I'm saying? Me
That's
don't know.
just right out.
No, man, if you look on all that, me don't know how she see the vision for them both something there.
Yeah.
You know, one place
they
where they and
look
Tami
nice.
said this I go over our bed. Me say over our bed.
Yeah.
And she said just watch it go work. And
it look good.
it's very symbolic of our relationship too.
Yes, two halves that make a whole. And it is space in our togetherness.
And space in between when we are asleep. She like hug up 1 minute, just 1 minute before bed, and then she shook me off and say I'm breathing a tear upon her. So it have
and
meaning.
it's not perfect either.
And it's not
Not
perfect. It's
but
not perfect.
It's beautiful. We have so many things that we want to show you as we go along, because there are so many, beautiful little touches and pieces that just, we couldn't show in the reveal. So as we go along, we will definitely share all the little tips and tricks and tidbits.
That is it. We just want to say thanks to our MTM family for pouring so much love. And yo, look at man.
It was wild.
It's crazy. Almost 3,000 comments, just bare positive vibes. The whole, me not tell you lie, when I get the award for the cleanest art YouTube channel. God no.
You guys don't even know what it means to us. We literally yesterday we were so overwhelmed because we're like, the genuine happiness for us was just, it was palpable.
Yeah.
And it's just a reminder that, you can be happy for other people. It's something we always preach about, and we are always, happy for others, that when we get it, it's just, it's wild. And we're so grateful.
Man.
It's not lost on us. That's really what I want to say.
So true.
It looked like the screen fog up.
Huh?
Your lens, because it's cold in here and then it's hot out here.
No, man, if I fuck up, I
Wipe
want
it
to.
up little.